as India takes the next step towards controlling emissions through BS4 norms. It is important to understand how BS4 norms help in reducing emission. BS4 norms are directed towards reducing the quantities of NOx, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons by up to 30% and particulate matter by nearly 80%. Globally, two technologies are used to reduce emissions to BS4 levels: selective catalytic reduction (SCR) and exhaust gas recirculation (EGR). An SCR system reduces emissions by injecting urea mixed with water into the exhaust stream of a diesel engine. Diesel exhaust fluid, commonly available as AdBlue, combines with NOx to form harmless nitrogen and water vapor. SCR is generally used for high horsepower engines and gives better mileage under some conditions. However, total cost of energy is high due to the additional cost of DEF. SCR technology requires a separate and complex exhaust treatment system that includes a DEF tank, a pump module to filter and pump DEF, a metering unit for measuring quantity and mixing of DEF with compressed air, a dosing nozzle for injecting DEF, several sensors for measuring SCR parameters, the SCR muffler, which is coated with imported vanadium pentoxide or copper zeolite, and an entire electronic control system to monitor it constantly. If a sensor dislodges or DEF level becomes low, the complex SCR system will cause the vehicle to go into limp home mode as per OBD2 system. In 2010, we introduced SCR in specific markets and conducted extensive studies. We concluded that our customers faced a lot of challenges. Some of them were the additional cost of DEF and hence an increase in daily running costs, unavailability of DEF at all locations due to lack of infrastructure. Additional weight of SCR system meant compromising on payload. SCR was partially effective as it required constant speeds over long stretches, making it unsuitable for Indian road and driving conditions. Higher initial investment and higher cost of maintenance. It was also difficult to maintain and repair because of the low awareness of technology among drivers and mechanics. Hence, SCR was not very suitable for developing market like India. On the other hand, traditional EGR is a much simpler, user-friendly and economical technology, which is more suitable for Indian driving conditions. Without the use of so many additional components, a traditional EGR system recirculates a portion of the exhaust gas back to the engine's air intake, where fresh air blends with it. The mixture is then cooled and fed to the engine, thus reducing NOx emissions to the desired level. However, traditional EGR systems comes with a diesel oxidation catalyst or DOC and a particle oxidation catalyst or POC, also known as partial filter, that removes hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide. But POCs are prone to accumulation of soot in their filters, hurting fuel efficiency. Putting customer needs first, we decided to develop a unique solution for Indian roads, presenting the Ashok Leyland Intelligent EGR. We combined the best of CRS and EGR technology, working on removing the limitations of a traditional EGR by making it capable of meeting BS4 emission norms above 130 horsepower. We improved the fuel efficiency with trials showing up to 10% better fuel savings in some applications compared to our BS3 vehicles. This was possible due to work done on improving combustion efficiency through in-cylinder combustion management to ensure minimum simple exhaust system without a POC. IEGR uses significantly lower amount of exhaust gas and lower injection pressure compared to a traditional EGR, thereby leading to better engine life, same oil change intervals as BS3 and a maximum common parts with BS3 engines. IEGR is a unique innovation in emission control for emerging markets like India and is now available for engines up to 400 horsepower. Prioritizing fuel efficiency and reliability, we have adopted the IEGR technology in our entire range of engines that powers our diverse range of vehicles with the same trusted reliability and performance. Now, you can enhance your business while protecting the environment. Ashok Leyland's IEGR. No AdBlue, no electronics, better mileage. Revolutionizing emission control. Contribute to a cleaner environment and a better future with Ashok.